Greetings and welcome. Thank you for joining me for another fine video where I may or may not have taken some pictures. Today we're going to look at a fire pit I actually just built. I've built two of them. This is of the gas one. What you're seeing on screen now is a picture of an air tank that was laying around my yard. I got this from my grandfather's estate when he passed away. It is a heavy air tank. Before I chopped it up, I did find out that it was from 1942 is what the build tag down there says, right above one of the airports. So this air tank has been around a long time and it is heavy. It is 1/4 inch thick rolled steel with like a brass brace up the side. So it looks pretty freaking cool actually. Very rusty on the inside from all the water and stuff that was sitting in it. So here it is laying sideways up on the sawhorses. We're propping it up, doing some markings and stuff, and we're gonna take the plasma torch to it, give it a good quick couple touches. And my dad, as you can see here, is one of the first lovely people to always do that. So what we ended up doing was cutting it in 4 chunks. We probably should have done 3. He's going to use the bottom with the legs already on it as a fire pit, so we can burn fire, and we're going to make a grate and stuff over the top, so hopefully I'll be able to show you that. But I took the top piece, and what I did is I flipped it over. I had a half cut piece of 15-inch steel rim. So I took that, cleaned up the edges and stuff, and just stick welded it to the bottom, what is now the bottom of that tank. And then I ordered 2 things off of Amazon. I ordered a Stanbroil 18-inch propane fire pit kit and some 10-pound blue fiberglass. As you can see here, it's kind of assembled. I was very lucky. The ports where I wanted to put the key and stuff to adjust the flame all lined up well. I fully mock assembled everything so I could find out how far down to mount the sheet metal that is underneath, supporting all of the rock and the glass and the burner and stuff in there. I wanted it just low enough to where the flames were just barely actually in the fire pit, and there's just a fine layer of glass over it. So what you're seeing in the picture is it finished. I took some chain and welded it together for the handles. That is all heat tempered paints, what you would call that. I probably could have powder coated this, but I wasn't sure how hot it was going to get. In hindsight, you could have just even used regular paint. The gas doesn't get the sides hot at all. So what you have here is you have you gotta mount these at least 3 inches down, these burner kits, the sheet metal pan and stuff, so the air can come up underneath and feed the flame. You've got lava rock. I had some laying around the yard, and then you can see the glass on the top of it. And it runs pretty good. The whole point of this video is to show that you could just get out there. If you've got an idea, just run with it. The worst thing you're gonna do is screw something up. Just don't hurt yourself. But this was a kind of a fun and exciting project with our imagination a bit, with me and my dad taking that old air tank and transforming it into a nice easy fixture that we could have around the house. So that's pretty much what we've done here. And I hope it looks good to everybody. $200 is probably what I have in this, and I'm sure I could have bought a gas fire pit that was cheaper, but this looks nice, and I made it myself, and that means a lot to me, and hopefully when you build something too, it'll mean a lot to you. So thanks everybody for watching. I should have another Jeepster video out later on this week, so look forward to that. Thank you.